Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the internet actually works on another device. This narrows the problem to the Ps3. Next, plug the Ps3 into the router with Ethernet. Wired is more reliable than wireless, and disable any active proxy. Once done, restart the modem, wait 60 seconds, restart the router, then boot the Ps3. Finally, run a quick network test in settings to see if the console gets an IP address. That tells you whether to proceed to DNS and manual settings. If the built-in test fails or the browser shows page cannot be displayed, switch to manual configuration. Choose manual IP assignment and enter an unused address in your LAN range, subnet mask 255, 255, 255, 0 and gateway equal to your router's IP. Then set DNS to Google 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4, so name resolution isn't the blocker. Keep MTU on automatic and leave proxy off. After saving, run the internet connection test again. This confirms whether DNS or IP lease was the issue. Now finish by clearing the Ps3 browser cache and cookies to remove corrupted data that blocks pages. If pages still won't load, rebuild the system database or restore network settings to defaults and reapply the manual DNS and IP settings. Once done, try the browser and the internet connection test again. If problems persist, use a phone hotspot briefly. This isolates ISP or router faults. If the hotspot works, call your ISP or replace the router. That single test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.